If you want to compare yourself with your old version. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why you should never compare yourself with any other person and never try to fit in. Let's get into the video. If you are standing right now in your life where you are right now and you have been through literally hell, you have faced so many problems in your life and you make a way from them, and you are standing in a way where you feel that I made it, but there are so many people who are so above than you, and now you are feeling so less and wondering, I haven't done anything. But have you ever seen yourself in the past, the little girl, the little boy you were in the past? Your dreams, your dream girl, the dream person you always wanted to be, the type of adult life you always dream to live. Do you think that that little girl or a boy is proud of me? If the answer is yes, then you made it. You do not have to compare yourself with anyone, because everyone is different, like living their own life, different life. They have different goals in their life, they have different achievements, they have different mentality, they faced different difficulties in their past life. You have different goals, you are a totally different person, and you lived a life in a past which no one else lived. So you better do not compare yourself with anyone else, and do not compare your achievements with anyone else, because what you achieved is everything. We live in a society where people compare themselves to other, and also we also compare two people so much. Like in a classroom where one guy is like one children is so much intelligent in studies, and the other one is so much great in art. But if you are in a school and everyone accept expect from that child to study, only study, and they want all of the students to get 100 out of 100, but some students are different. They don't want to get, they don't want to become the best in studies, they want to become best in something else. But the pressure in their mind is so heavy, like they feel like what we are doing or what we are like in a good at, it doesn't matter. All they have to do is study. If you are in school, you have to study. If you are living in a society, you have to maintain the best lifestyle, no matter if you are happy or not. But the ultimate goal is happiness, and for that happiness, that does not matter from where that happiness is coming. The source can be money, but it is not everything that the society is telling you. If society is, the society always tell that you have to make family, you have to get married at least this age, you should have children, and you should have respect in the society, you should behave properly in certain way. But what if someone else find happiness out of the marriage? What if someone's ultimate goal of happiness is not having children? What if someone else's ultimate goal of happiness is not making home, create home? Then why they have to fit in this society criteria to make, they tell you that you will happy if you have this. But how can you be happy after fitting in someone else's criteria, in the society's criteria? What about your happiness? Why you are only trying so hard to make the society happy? Why you are trying to so much fit in? If you are different and that thing is giving you happiness, go for it. Do not compare yourself to the person who is earning 2 lakh in a month. Okay, you are earning 50K and someone else is earning 2 lakh in a month. What if that person is not even satisfied with their 2 lakhs? What if that person is not happy with their 2 lakhs? Because they are, what if, like, they are not happy with what they are doing? They are doing it with because of the society pressure, and you are happier from inside, because no matter how much you earn, but what you are doing is really matter to you. What you are doing is coming from your heart. You really wanted to do that, and you are finally happy because you are doing what you really love to do. So never compare yourself with anyone else. Do not compare. You don't know what is happening behind the curtain. You never know. All you need to do is focus on your dreams, focus on your happiness, focus on what you really want to do, the type of person you really want to become. If someone else is doing something and everyone is appreciating them, good for them. Let them do whatever they want to do. If you are choosing a different path and people are not applause for you, and also they are like trying to put you down and saying bad things about you, let them do that. Really, let them do that, because this is what they all can do. It's up to you. If you choose to listen to them and do what you don't like to do, and you don't listen to them and you do what you really want to do, it's up to you. Like, if you listen to them and do what they want you to do you think you will live happily ever after? Or you do what you really want to do and you will live happy ever after? That's totally up to you. Don't feel insecure. Never feel insecure. Never, because you have come through a lot. You have faced already so many problems in your life. You have made right now where you are in life with so much difficulties. You have faced so much problems in your life. Do not create more problems by listening to the society. Look yourself in the past. You really wanted to be where you are right now, so acknowledge that, because little you is so happy for where you are right now. So you really don't have to make other people happy, because this is not your responsibility. Your only responsibility is make yourself happy. So do for yourself. Make yourself happy. Comparing yourself with other people makes you insecure. No matter how secure you are, no matter how good you are at what you are doing, but if you continuously compare yourself with other person, no matter how different that person is, you will look insecure. You will, because that person is a totally different person, and what that person is doing is a totally different thing. What you are doing is a totally different thing. Who you are is a totally different human being. So you should be confident with who you are, and you should proud of you. Really, you should proud of yourself. Applause for yourself. Say it to yourself that very good, Vishali, very good. What you are doing is best. What you can do, you are doing. What you really want to do, you are doing. What you love to do, you are doing. If someone else is doing and they made it because they were good at it, and this is what they wanted to do, so you should applause to them, and never compare yourself. Oh, that person made it, why I'm not capable. No, where you are right now, someone else is also thinking, wow, look at Vishali, what is she doing, wow. So never ever compare yourself. Never ever think that you are less. You are never less. You are no less. You are so much that anyone can think of. You can make everything possible. You can get everything that you want. But first, you need to believe in yourself. You need to thank. You should be like, you should be thankful for where are you right now, rather than complaining and rather than comparing yourself with other people. And comparing yourself with other people also shake your confidence. Like, you feel so, like, you won't feel confident if you continuously, you're not a confident person if you're continuously, comparing yourself with someone else. If you are not secure about yourself, then how you are, confident? You are not confident with who you are. You are not confident enough because you are continuously trying to be someone else. You are not confident about who you really are. So you really need to be confident about yourself. You really need to be secure. You really need to feel, so proud of yourself. You really need to feel that, wow, look at me. You should really feel that. And I mean it. I mean it. I genuinely mean it from the bottom of my heart. Like, wow, look at her. Look at him. I am so great. What a hard working person I am. What an intelligent person I am. What I am doing is really unique, really different, and so fantastic. Really, and I mean it. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.